Even a 10-year-old driver doesn't know the secret. It turns out that car scratch repair is so easy. Use car scratch wax to repair various scratches on your car, no matter the car model or color. Once repaired, it will never appear again, as long as the primer is not exposed. You can easily get it done with this product. Perfectly repairs various scratches without going to a 4S store. Can be used for a long time. Repair and polish. Protect the paint surface. No color difference, simple operation. Convenient and practical. Any scratch can be perfectly repaired in 1 minute. No need to go to a 4S shop. It can be used for a long time. Repairs and polishes. Protects the paint surface. Has no color difference. Is simple to operate. Convenient and practical. Any scratch can be perfectly repaired in 1 minute. If you have a car at home, you must have a few.